Today's topic is fetal circulation. Normally, the oxygenated blood was supplied to the fetus by the umbilicus. Normally, the umbilicus was containing two umbilical arteries, one umbilical vein. The umbilical artery contains the oxygenated blood and umbilical vein containing the oxygenated blood. Here, the umbilical vein from the mother, from the placenta, the umbilical vein which is connected to the inferior vena cava through the ductus venosus. Inferior vena cava is open into the right atrium. So here the right atrium to the right ventricle by the foramen ovale. The foramen ovale is the abnormal connection between the right and left atrium. From the left atrium, the blood is directly shunts into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the blood goes to the aorta to the upper extremities like hands, neck and head, and descending aorta to the lower parts, that is legs and trunk. So from the here inferior vena cava as well as from the upper body parts superior vena cava, blood again is open into the right atrium. From the right atrium, it will go to the right ventricle. Instead of going to the left atrium through the foramen ovale, now the blood was shunts into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle through the pulmonary artery, it will go to the lungs. Here the blood was supplied to the lungs not for the respiration function, only for the maturation and for nutrition. Now it having the pulmonary artery having the connection with the aorta. This connection we will call as ductus arteriosus. The ductus arteriosus is the connection between the aorta and pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, it having the connection to the aorta. Again the aorta is descended to the lower body parts through the external and internal iliac artery. The blood was collected in the umbilical arteries. Through the umbilical arteries, the deoxygenated blood again enter into the maternal side, that is placenta. Through the placenta again it will go to the maternal circulation, and again the fetal circulation process will starts. This is the fetal circulation. Now we will see the specialties in the fetal circulation. Normally the umbilical arteries contain the oxygenated blood. Here umbilical vein containing oxygenated blood. In the adults, normally the arteries containing the oxygenated blood and veins containing the deoxygenated blood. But here in fetal circulation, the umbilical arteries containing the deoxygenated blood and umbilical veins containing the oxygenated blood. First we will see the ductus venosus. Ductus venosus is the connection between the inferior vena cava to the umbilical vein. Is called in between the two veins, inferior vena cava and umbilical veins, so it is called as ductus venosus. And next, ductus arteriosus. So the ductus arteriosus is the connection between the pulmonary artery to the aorta, so it between the two arteries is called as ductus arteriosus. Next, foramen ovale is the connection between the right and left atrium, so the directly blood was shunts to the right atrium to the left atrium is called as foramen ovale.